Hello, this is Schedulytics and welcome to today's session. If you're new to the channel, we encourage you to turn on the post notification bell, subscribe, so you can always be notified whenever we share a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, we encourage you to also like the video so the algorithm can recommend this video to as many as possible to also learn statistics. In today's brief video, we'll attempt to answer a question by one of our viewers, which is in respect of how we can do a stratification analysis of the Pearson and the Spearman correlation analysis into categories when we have a categorical variable, for example, sex, marital status, location, etc. So in this video, we are going to use data to be able to achieve that. So mind you, if you've not watched our video on how to do the correlation coefficients, Pearson and Spearman, you may want to go back and watch those videos on the channel. So here we are trying to do a Pearson correlation. So pairwise correlation is the code between age and then some other some other continuous variables or quantitative variables, this one. And we want it to give us significant values as well as star those that are significant less than 0.05. So with this line of code here, we have the correlation coefficient. So this one, it runs it for all the data set we have, or the sample we have, irrespective of the category one falls in. So whether you're a male or a female, this analysis affects you. So now we want to run one where we are going to sort, or we are going to stratify it based on sex. So among the male people, how is this correlation faring? Among the female, how is this correlation faring? That is what we are going to do in way of answering the question by our viewer. So in order to do that, we just add this line of code by sex. So here we are just saying by sex, sort this. So this is the code that makes all the difference. So by sex, sort that. Let's run it and see. So right here, you can see at the top here, it gives us for sex male, this is how it is doing. And then for female, this is what we are observing. So you can take your time and go through all this and see how different or similar they are. Now, how about the person is a female and married, female single, female divorced, male single, male divorced, etc. That kind of combination. So to do that, we also just add marital status here. So we add marital status here so that we know among those who are single and married, what is the correlation looking like? So this, for example, it says the person is a female and divorced. This is how the correlation is varying. Now, when you go up a little, the person is a female and widowed. This is how the correlation is varying. Person is a female and married. This is how it is varying. So you can equally use this to sort and stratify your analysis of the correlation. So how about if it were to be a Spearman correlation we are running? If it were to be a Spearman correlation we are running, we will simply change this to Spearman. And then instead of seek, we are going to say stats into brackets rho P. Good. So here too, it does the stratification for us. So female, and then we have male over here. Then now we want to go a step further by seeing among the male married, and then the male not married and the combination. So this is female divorced. And over here, female widowed. And then over here, female married. So basically, this is how you can do a detailed stratify analysis of your correlation analysis, if you want to see how the correlation occurs in each category, or a detailed categorization of your sample, or the stratification. You want to see how this correlation fares in the extractum or the detailed stratification of your samples. With this line of code, you can be able to do that. So basically, this is how you can run that in STATA. If you find this video useful, we encourage you to subscribe to the channel. We encourage you to recommend this channel to all so they can continue to learn from us. Until we meet again on our next one, this is Catalytics, and it is a bye.